Shout.
Hey, what's up guys? How are you doing? This is Bayo Adio. I am currently in Ibadan. It's been a while that I've been here. But today I just wanted to do a quick review of an Airbnb that I'm staying at. I have some positives and I also have some negatives as well. But for now, let's start on the positives. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of how beautiful the house is and how the decoration ties in. And then at the end of the video, I'll share the negatives of why you probably should not book this apartment if you see it on Airbnb. But for now, let me take you guys on a tour because the house is actually beautiful. Come on with me. First of all, there's a lot of outdoor space, which is good. Security-wise, it's in a gated community, which is great. I like that there's outdoor space, lots of room for parking, so that's great. We cannot get in. Why? Because there's no handle in the front of the place, so they only have one key. And this has happened to us twice now. So now we're stuck outside and we cannot get in. So luckily we have one of our friends inside that we're gonna have to call to come and open the door for us. So I'm trying to start with the positives, and I already have no choice but to talk about it negative. So we're gonna pause this video, we're gonna figure out how to get in, and then we're gonna continue the tour. All right, we finally got the door open. Come on in. Hey guys, real quick. I have a goal of 10,000 subscribers this month, and I need your help. If you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, please scroll down and hit that big red subscribe button. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate your support and your love. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of this video, and I'll chat with you later. Bye. So the first thing that you guys are gonna realize, the actual living room is very beautiful. Nice TV with DSTV cable, nice little designs. They have a guest toilet that you can use over there. And then check out this sectional. It's big, so literally you can have 3 or 4 people in here. I'm actually here with 3 people, and we were all able to sit comfortably with little spaces in between. And look at this fixture. The lighting fixture is not bad. It's pretty good. There's AC in every room, and they have nice little paint in here, which I love. This, it reflects Lagos. And then we have the living room here. Let me see if I can turn on the light. I cannot find the light switch, so I'm just going to open this instead so you guys can see. So the living room can fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. Very, very nice. I think countertop design here that they have. Marble or whatever they call it. And then I'll show you guys the kitchen, then I'll show you guys the room. Alright, look at the kitchen. The kitchen is very, very spacious. Again, I like the surface, it's clean. Cooker, storages, everything that you need in the kitchen. They have a fridge, it's not that big, but it's good enough. So yeah, microwave, oven. I think it's great. The space is very well designed. The fixtures that they picked is good. And they have little elements of design that I think is good. So overall, I think the apartment this Airbnb is very nice. In terms of aesthetics at least. And they got the French doors here. So now that I've shown you guys the major rooms, like the dining room, the living room, the kitchen, let's just kind of do a quick tour in the rooms. So there's 3 rooms in here, so let's check it out. So this one has a nice little closet here. And again, very nice touches and design. And there's a mirror that you can use to check out your outfits. And here's the room. Nice view, nice bed. Pretty basic stuff. All right, let's check out the other rooms. Room number 2, again, they really invested in some nice cabinetry to be able to put your clothes in. Again, with the mirrors that you can use to check out yourself. They have extra towels, extra duvets, extra covers here, which is cool. More closet space. Now, the bathroom, this is one thing that I hate about some of the Nigerian house design. There's no separation between the shower and the toilet, but at least in terms of a door or shower curtain, but there's at least a shower here. So that's the bathroom. Again, very basic, a little grimy, but you know, not bad. And this is the room number 3. Again, same thing. Everything that you need design-wise, cabinetry. You can tell each room, this one is gold-plated room. The owner of this place really put a lot of thought into the design. Shower again, same here. And there's the shower. All right. Okay. So now that I've given you guys kind of like the summary of all the rooms, let me tell you guys about the not so positive things about this place. Let's have a seat. We're gonna chat. So because I am a host myself, I think we have a guest. Hold on, I'll be right back. Oh, okay. Tell them to come in. Okay. Our boat driver is here. But real quick, the negatives about this place, because I'm a host, I tend to be a little bit more forgiving. But this place costed $125 a night, and we purposely did that because we wanted the comforts to settle in. But we did not get any of the comforts. When we came in, there was a lot of cockroaches in the different rooms, so we had to spray the room down. So long story short, I think it's just bad management. The internet did not work. They said they were going to call back to fix it. It didn't work. The AC had a hard time turning on. And then they also promised 24-hour power supply. When they took the light off, the guy outside said the generator did not work. So we didn't have power for a little while. Also, the microwave in the kitchen did not work. The power pressure in the toilets did not work. So literally, almost anything that you could want to pay for in terms of comfort for the amount that they were charging was not there. So I think this is a perfect example of a case of an apartment that is beautifully designed, looks great, but the main functions that need to work in an Airbnb for a guest was not there. And I don't know who the owner is, but she has like a few guys managing her Airbnb, bad customer service, and they didn't make anything right. So that is the downside of, hold on one quick second, let me get my phone. So that is the downside of this Airbnb. So if I was to give it on a scale of 5 to 10, I would give it a 5. But this is, I definitely don't recommend that you book this Airbnb if you ever come to Ibadan. Now, maybe follow up with them and see if they have fixed these issues. And if you follow up with them and they say that it's been fixed, then definitely it's a beautiful place to come to. The neighborhood is quiet, it's serene. But that is my review of this Airbnb that I wanted to share with you guys. Comment below, what do you think about it? Give me your comments. All right, that is the end of this presentation. We're gonna get ready for our trip now. So remember guys, always to rise and let your light shine. Peace.